Benefits is the reason that we do programs, but benefit management is the missing element in program management. Generally, we talk about program as number of projects, and we don't understand that our job as a program manager is not just to generate the outputs of each project, but actually to convert the outputs of these projects into outcomes and finally into benefits. When I talk about the difference between output, outcome and benefit, so let's talk about this video recording thing. So I would say the output of this whole session is that we have recorded the video, which is which has no issues, neither the audio issue nor the video issue, and it's perfectly fine. The message is clear and the audio and video is clear. So that is an output, right? But when I talk about outcome, why I am doing this thing, so I would say I am doing this whole recording to reach to mass people, to reach to more middle management who can understand the value of program management, and they can link program management with corporate startup. So if I would say the outcome I'm going to measure, I would say how many people actually watched my video. But eventually, if I say that increase in viewership is the outcome. But if I want to say what is the benefit, I would say benefit is equals to measurable outcome. So when I'm going to say 50% increase in viewership of my video or 70% increase of my viewership of video is basically the benefits. So technically during the program, I need to see what projects I need to do, which projects I need to go for first, or maybe as a program manager, I can see that maybe some project scope I need to reduce, or maybe some project scope I need to add, or maybe I need to remove some projects from the program or add some new projects within the program. This is the mindset that I need to look into it when I am targeting the benefits to achieve. And that is the same mindset which is basically applied by the startup CEO, or you can say the product owner, because their job is not just to build the product, their job is to make it profitable, to achieve the benefits of that overall system or the result of startup. So here, when you are talking about corporate startup, you also need to understand how you are going to technically achieve the benefits of a program by juggling about, reducing about, adding about, managing about multiple projects and converting them into the outcomes and benefits. If you want to understand how the whole process works together and how you can leverage your skill and knowledge to achieve the benefits of your program, then do join our Program Management with Corporate Startup workshop. Thank you.